There's liquid in here. I don't know what kind of liquid is it, and it shouldn't have any liquid. Let's further investigate. I hope it's not the battery which is leaking. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I wanted to introduce the new battery jumper that I just got. It's a Canadian tire brand called MotoMaster Eliminator, and I did a little bit of research. They basically go to the same company who does the Caterpillar brand, so you will see Caterpillar and there is also another brand. All three units looks exactly like that with just the sticker at the front, or the different sticker on the front. So I decided, you know what, I guess that's good. I paid $99 for it, and if you notice, it's a 1400 peak amps and 700 crank assist amps. 1400 peak amps it's something that I need. It's good enough to jumpstart a planet or your dead grandma. It's really good, really good. So what it is it's a full package. It does boost your vehicle. It will have a built-in pump. So you can also plug in for power and charge your phone with a USB. I didn't have the right X-Acto knife. I'm using a screwdriver to go through that seal. Very nicely packaged. Over here you have your owner's manual. It's in both English and French. I'm not going to go through it because I know what it should say. And then you take it out of the bag. Inside the bag you're going to find this. This is actually very handy. So let's say you drive a truck. What you do is you plug this unit at the back of the truck, where you would have an aux input. Oh, hold on. There's liquid in here. I don't know what kind of liquid is it, and it shouldn't have any liquid. Let's further investigate. I hope it's not the battery which is leaking. It does not look like the battery. I don't know. Okay, going back to this cable. So it's not a liquid. Going back to this cable, you plug it in the back of your truck where you have a power outlet, and you leave it plugged in to the unit right about here. What it will do is it will keep the unit charged. So when it's the bad day, you really need the unit, it's charged and ready and good to go. And if you don't use the unit on a monthly basis or on a weekly basis, which is very possible because you're not boosting cars every day, please charge it every 10 to 15 days. Just plug it in, let the battery charger come to green, and it should do the trick. And also every time you use it, come back home, plug it in, let it come to green. Now let's see how much battery charge is there out of the box, and it's really not a good test. It shows full red, and I'm not gonna take it. Like, I'm pretty sure if I try to start my Corvette right now, it's not gonna, and I'm going to need it because I'm pretty confident that Corvette battery is so dead it's beyond. Needs to be boosted, and it needs to run for, I don't know, a couple of hours before the battery will have any juice in it. Okay, going with the front, On the left hand side you have the USB, and then the plug-in unit. Now you have to press this button to turn the USB on, or else it won't charge your phone. And then these are the three, press this button and these three LEDs will light up. And on the other hand, after you connect the terminals to the battery, you need to turn the unit on to make it boost ready. And always leave it off, because if you leave the unit on and for some reason your positive and negative terminal connects, you're going to see sparks, and it's really not good for the battery or the circuitry inside. And then you have this trusty utility rail, and I kind of like this. It's helpful. It is helpful if you happen to use it at night outside. That light will come in very handy. And then in the back we have these terminals, and there's the safety tape. So it said seal type remove before use. Okay, I don't know what it is. I know what it is, but what is that thing jammed into it? What does that? Remove before operation. Okay, fine. Okay, so what it is that tire inflator. You take this out, screw this into your tire, turn this on. Okay, it works. Now I'm going to put this back. I don't know how, but I'll do it. It's back. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it for at least 24 hours. It is a part of the manual that you need to charge it for 24 hours before your first use, so that your battery lasts longer than usual. I read a lot of reviews about this unit, and a lot of people have mixed feelings for it. Some people said they're really good, and others said they usually okay. See, now I plugged it in and it's charging the battery, and it's showing the battery is there and it needs to be there and there before it to be full charged. But if I press this, and it won't work right now. If you again reverse, if I press this, it will show it showed the battery is full, which is not correct. Yeah, so I read a lot of reviews online, and people said the battery pack, the battery itself is a hit and miss. There are almost 50% chances that the battery will go kapoosh in the first year, and other 50% said it worked great. Because I purchased it from Canadian Tire, and they have a 1-year limited warranty, so if it goes kapoosh within the year, I'm just gonna go back and get a new one. They have been carrying this unit for, I don't know, at least 4 or 5 years, and I'm pretty sure they will keep carrying it. If they don't carry it, they will replace it with something of equal capability, and I'm sure Canadian Tire will do that, because I have done it before, and Canadian Tire does take care of their customers. Know where the location of the battery in a Corvette is. Just follow my lead. I don't want to drop this on the leather because it's gonna make a mess. You see that now? That's where the battery is. All you have to do is be very careful in regards to keeping the terminals correct. So black with black. And red with red. I am going to turn it on. Battery level. So when you turn it on, you're not supposed to, technically charge the battery. It's basically you're supposed to just turn the ignition and start the vehicle. But I am taking a little bit of time to do that because I'm fat. That's not the right key. That's the right key. Okay, it's alive. Let's start. Okay, stop. Let's do it again. I'm gonna put some gas in just to help it. Battery, you're supposed to boost a V8. Okay, a little. Woohoo! In business, baby! No need for this. Take it off. Take that off. All right. Well, what I can say is, as advertised, it will boost a V8 gasoline. I'm not saying it will do for diesel, but it will boost a gasoline. And the way I knew it, because I did it before. It is my newer pack. With my older pack, I boosted it and it worked wonderful. Well, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, because I have so much new project for this season, and oh my god, I can't even think about it because it's so much to do. Stay tuned, click the bell button and like and subscribe so that you can stay on top of this. Thank you and have a wonderful day.